Maz at Triple CCC Creations. Hey, this is Maz. Might work on this truck later, but the weather's changed. We had spring, well, I don't know, 2 days ago. So, surprise, surprise, it's back again. So, what do you do on a day like this? Go sledding. So we're gonna go shut the shop down for a while. We're going to go for a rip, get some supplies, do a Canadian cruise around town. Well, the weather changed. There's a little highlights of what a week ago was like in the yard, and we'll show you what it's like now.
So it's been going pretty good here. So I'm kind of dealing with this stuff. And yeah.
Go figure, eh?
But anyways,
Get some more fun in two-wheel drive. Now just taking a break, having coffee. Even the kids out dirt biking in the snow. It's a perfect day for dirt biking and snow machining. Well, ripped around for the last day and a half here with the sleds and the bikes. Now we're actually getting back on the little street rod S10. But picked up some stuff today, and got a whole bunch of parts here. Majority of the orders come in now. This is for another project, and I have made little hints in the past, but I'm not quite ready to let you know what it is just yet. We need another couple more weeks, and then we should be able to get started on it. But I really do need to get this one, the S10 street rod, mobile, so it can move in and out of the shop, because I may need the shop for some of this next project's work. We're going to have a couple projects on the go all at the same time. We have 2, maybe 3. My luck will probably be 5. But let's see if we can get this mess of mine cleaned up. Get the exhaust on this thing. Get her down on the ground. Get her fired up. And then whenever this disappears, it's slowly starting to disappear, we will kick this truck out and we will start on the next project and continue on the street rod S10. So let's see if we can get this exhaust going here, and maybe we'll even get her finished up tonight, see how things go, and then I will be able to let you know what this is all about when we get this all figured out. So let's try to get this exhaust on. Well, didn't get any done on exhaust, but we took these wheels off and we put these new rims on. The tires, I'm going to try to get some bigger or at least wider ones. But these will do for now. But these are the rims I'm going to run on this truck. These are brand new. Got a deal on them. These are the ones that were in the boxes earlier. Down at the speed shop, cut me a really wicked deal on them. So we're going to try them out. I think they're not too bad, and I think they'll go with the paint scheme. So it's getting late. So I'll get back on this thing tomorrow, hopefully. Get most, if not all, the exhaust done. Then we can fire it up, see how it sounds. And then we'll be that much closer to getting all this stuff put on the next project. So that's probably it for this video. So this is Maz, and if you don't mind, new to the channel, subscribe, that'd be highly appreciated. Hit the bell icon, notify you uploads, and then boy, my voice is off tonight. And then hopefully we'll get more going on with this thing and get this snow and stuff out of here, and we can have spring, the awesome spring, and then we can get all this stuff outside. So yeah, so to the next video. Bye.